Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on red eye reduction. For this, we're going to go right into a photo editing software, so let's get to it. Alright, this is the photo that we're going to use to reduce the red eye. Obviously, we have a little bit going on. We're going to go ahead and duplicate this layer just so we're not affecting the actual image itself. Now what we can do is go ahead and grab the actual red eye tool. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a bit. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and just surround that whole red eye, and as you can see, it takes it away for us. And I'm going to go ahead and do that once more. And as you can see, it does a little bit more. If you're not satisfied with those results, what you can do is go ahead and grab the healing brush tool. We can go in and get a little bit tighter and just select a little bit inside there just to tighten up that edge just a bit. And that should be alright for that one. Go ahead and do the other eye. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just kind of want as much of it to look as natural as possible. And now another thing that you can do is go ahead and add a curves layer, and we'll go ahead and just drop that down to make it darker. But what we're going to do is go here into the mask and actually invert the mask, and we're going to go ahead and select our brush tool and drop the opacity down as well as the flow. And then make sure your foreground layer is white. And now what we're actually going to do is go ahead and reveal it a bit just to darken up this area so it looks more like the pupil. This will just kind of make everything look a bit more natural. So once we go out, as you can see, the red eye is gone. I'll go ahead and show you the original. And that is after we touched it up. And that's how you get rid of red eye. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.